and my son is in Canada, so he was really pushing me to leave. Unfortunately, I had to leave my mother, sisters, brothers in Kabul. They were sleeping, and I didn't tell them. I just left, and I called them from the airport. Stay more with them, but I was thinking maybe this is the last flight, as we were told before September 11, and I fear that there might be no flights for a while. I keep calling other flights. They said we don't know if there's any other flights soon. So I had to make a decision quick when I got the email in the morning.
Kabul airport is already destroyed. Nothing is left for the people over there, unfortunately for the people. But we are very happy with the Qataris because they're taking over the airport.
Actually, they are very soft right now. But I don't know in the future.